What would happen if every country in Africa engaged in war until only one remained? The chaos would begin quickly, with Egypt striking their enemies first, taking a huge chunk of territory in the north easily. This would be followed by Nigeria, who would dominate in their territory, expanding at the speed of light. Ethiopia and DR Congo would also be really successful until they would reach each other, starting the fight. With Ethiopians having more experience in the battles, they would come out victorious. In the south, South Africans would dominate as expected and would become a major threat. In the north, after a hard-fought battle between Algeria and Morocco, Algerians would come out victorious, becoming the kings of the northwest. Nigeria would act quick, attacking the wounded Algerians and beating them since their soldiers would be tired. However, the same fate would affect them, as the Egyptians would completely demolish them. South Africa and Ethiopia would start a decisive fight, which would end up with the Ethiopians pushed back and eventually beaten. The final standoff would begin, and even though Egyptian forces would take the upper hand, South Africans would try to resist, but it would only